breaking news that's coming in, and I'm going to go across right to Gursimran on that. The defense sources are now saying the DGMOs of India and Pakistan talked over the hotline yesterday to discuss the unprovoked ceasefire violations by Pakistan. India warned Pakistan against the unprovoked violations by Pakistan Army along the line of control. I'm going to quickly go across to my colleague Gursimran, joining us live from Jammu. Gursimran, give us more details.
See, Rhythm, what has happened that yesterday there has been a hotline call between the Indian Director General of Military Operations and the Pakistani counterpart, the DGMO from the Pakistani Army. But what was told to the Pakistani side that they need to mend their ways, they need to stop the unprovoked firing at the Indian Army locations along the line of control, because till yesterday when the call was made, there was no ceasefire violation on the international border. But even after the call that was made from the Indian side to the Pakistani counterpart, there was a ceasefire violation, and ceasefire violation was up to 6 locations at one night, that is 5 at the line of control and 1 at the international border in Pragwal. Right now we are reporting. Second important thing is that it was to reiterate the commitment of the DGMOs, because in February 2021 it was only DGMO only the DGMOs that read and that reached this agreement. I'll request Sarjeevan to keep showing you the fence, that the area ahead of the fence is of the Pakistan. So we are hardly 100 meters away from the Pakistan territory, because ahead of this fence is the Pakistani area, and from here only in the Pragwal sector there was a provocation by the Pakistan late last night when they violated the ceasefire at around 9:30 was the time when they resorted to the firing at the Indian Army locations. But the India has retaliated effectively late last night, after which we saw the Pakistani side they resorting to back to their tactics, and they stopped the firing late last night, after which there was a lull that is prevailing here on the ground.
All right, Gursimran, thank you for giving us those details.